So friends, let's see today's recipe. Now here in a pan, I'm going to be dry roasting half a cup of roughly chopped almonds. I've just chopped them in my vegetable chopper. Roast this for about 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now to this I'm going to add half a cup of roughly chopped cashew nuts. Roast the cashew nuts too, and I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of walnuts. So after roasting everything, just transfer it to a nice large bowl. So these are all the roasted nuts. Now I'm going to just brush a cake tin, which is oven proof or microwave proof, with some ghee, and I'm just going to add some butter paper. So keep this ready. Now I'm going to dry roast 1 cup of oats, again on a low to medium flame. I'll be roasting this for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously so that the oats don't get burnt. Transfer this to the bowl with the nuts. And we're going to mix all of this really well together. Now we need something to bind everything together. So for that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter to the same hot pan. I'm using my cast iron pan. Once the ghee has melted, I'm going to add 1 cup of grated jaggery. And also I'm going to be adding half a cup of dates or khajoor, which I have de-seeded. Crush the khajoor and the jaggery and let the two of them really melt together like this. This took me about 2 to 3 minutes because the pan was nice and hot. And I'm going to transfer this to our oats and dry fruit mixture. Now you can also add raisins, you can add cranberries, you can add blueberries, you can add whatever you like to this granola bar mix. Mix everything really well together and just transfer this to this lined bake tin. And we're going to bake this in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Today I used my convection microwave and I did the same thing. I baked it at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. No need of preheating the oven. I've also melted some dark chocolate. So our granola base is all ready. Let it come a little bit to room temperature, and then I'm just going to pour this dark chocolate on top and just level it out. And then I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes. And then I'm just going to cut it up into, whatever shape you like, whether you like it rectangular or square. And then I'm just going to store them in a nice glass container, and me and my family will enjoy it whenever we crave something sweet. We know that we're eating something healthy. So do try out this very good recipe. It's really delicious and very, very healthy. Hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.